What's happening, fam? Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing well. So this video today is being brought to you by somebody who reached out to me. It's a guy named Tyler. He has a business called Diamond Protech, and obviously I'm all the way in Jersey right now for a huge car show, and this would actually be the best time to showcase this product. Here's my boy in here, rested. I'm here very, very early. They're cleaning up the street. The whole couple blocks is gonna be blocked off. So this company, Diamond Protech, they look like they make some revolutionary products, not only for like the coating on your car, but for like your wheels and stuff as well. So I actually told Tyler that I wanted to try his wheels kit. So it's not like just like a ceramic type coating, okay? They use something called PHPS, which is perhydropolysilicone. So they use that as their core structure. So instead of SiO2, I guess that's silicon dioxide, they combine it with patented enriched nano diamonds. Okay, so it's it creates like a very, very hard type finish. Okay, so I'll talk a little more about it once I get the car off the trailer. And by the way, guys, the reason why I'm doing it because the car just got cleaned. The car just got washed and cleaned yesterday. So the best time obviously to apply his Diamond Protech Wheels kit is obviously once the car has been cleaned, the wheels are washed, because cleaning the wheels is the first part of it. The second part of it is putting on the coating and so forth. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is about 6 hours later. I just finished cleaning down the entire car. As you could see, what ended up happening was when we got here so early that the town of Linden in Jersey, they were supposed to start cleaning at 7. They didn't start till like an hour later. So the street sweepers were coming around, stuff like that, and a lot of dust blew onto my car, like on the wheels and stuff like that. So I just had to like pretty much, even though they were washed, I had to re-clean everything. So I just finished cleaning down the wheels, and I'm about to apply this Diamond Protech stuff now. Guys, just a heads up, these guys were at SEMA. They make a lot of pretty cool products. I'll show you that in a second. I'll put something up to the side. So they pretty much got stuff for glass, the body of your car, stuff for bikes. They have a glass kit, a leather kit, an interior leather kit, the wheel kit. Obviously, this is the wheel kit right here. A quick body, stuff for motorcycles. It's there, you know, I mean, they got some stuff. They got a lot of prep products. It's actually pretty good. So guys, when they reached out to me, I chose the wheel kit because it's the wheels that are somewhat, they can be difficult to keep clean. You know what I mean? So this wheel kit right here, and sorry for the background noise, and also because I'm on bags, when the car is lowered like that and it's on 19s, the wheels are more pronounced, especially when you air out. So this Diamond kit, it allows for 12 months of hydrophobic protection. It's high temperature resistant to greater than 1,000 degrees Celsius or 1832 degrees Fahrenheit. Prevents brake dust and road grime corrosion, keeps your rims and brake calipers clean and glossy. And that's, let me tell you, that's actually a pretty nice win, especially considering I go to a lot of shows. So my next show is in October, and I can't wait to see, you know, the difference in the stuff I just use regularly. Now guys, the box it comes in, obviously you saw from the intro of the video, very small, nothing crazy. And inside of it you get the Diamond body prep and you get the Diamond wheels. He actually gives you a couple pairs of gloves, and you have your application pads and cloth. This is actually pretty cool because they supply you with pretty much everything that you need. Guys, this also should be done in an indoor, well ventilated area. The thing is, there's no wind blowing right now. It's around, I would say, 75 degrees, so it's nice and it's not cold and it's not too hot. So they actually give you specific temperatures that you can actually do this, and I think you want to do it between like 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, I guess. So I'm in the sweet spot right now. So I'm in a well ventilated area. It's not indoor, it's outdoor, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. There's no wind blowing, so it's nothing crazy, and I'm at the right temperature. So guys, doing this is pretty simple. How this works is you want to remove any type of wax or grime or whatever from the wheels. So that's where you spray the Diamond body prep. You spray it onto the wheels generously, wipe it down, clean it, allow it to air out and dry. Once it's dry, you take your Diamond wheels right here and you shake it for about, I think they said 15 seconds. So you know, shake it 15 to 20 seconds and apply some drops to the applicator pad right here. So hopefully you guys can hear me. So the Nano Diamond wheels, after you apply anywhere from 8 to 10 drops on the applicator pad, you apply it evenly and generously over the entire rim, wherever you need to put it, on the calipers, stuff like that, and leave it for around 3 to 5 minutes. And when it appears to be hazy, that's how you know that the whatever you're applying it to has absorbed the nano coatings, and that's when you know it's ready to be taken off. All right guys, so I'm about to go on a time lapse to show you this. Now once you finish that last step and wipe off all the haze, let it cure for about a minute, and once it cures for about a minute, you're ready to take this shit over the road, and you're pretty much complete. You're pretty much finished. So once you do it right, you should have all the protection you need for a good 12 months. Alright guys, so while I was letting this haze up, I ended up doing the rest of the wheels, and I just finished wiping this one off right here. I left it for a little bit. While I was doing the rest of the wheels, so it can haze really well. And I put the yeah, the touch to the finish is actually really nice. As I said, in time we're gonna see how well this lasts. So that's the real test right there. So hopefully the next show, and now I barely drive this car, you know, I mean, I take it to the gym like once a week or so, maybe twice, but usually before a show or when I'm at a show, I'm spending a lot of time cleaning these wheels. So hopefully it'll work out where I don't have to put that much attention into them. All right guys, so I just finished up all the wheels, and they came out really nice and glossy, man. Like a really nice finish. Really nice finish. Damn. And I ain't gonna lie, that cleaner, that first spray got all the dirt from inside the lug nuts, because it had like stains in there. Look at that. You can literally see my reflection in this thing. This thing is really nice. And the sun just came out on the other side, but I just want to show you, it came out super nice. Super clean. Super clean. So guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. But as I said before, can't wait to see this in weeks from now. I have another show in, right now this is September 15th. My other show is in a month from now, and obviously I drive it, you know, as I said, once or twice a week.
in literally just 4 miles. Nothing crazy, but every little bit helps, especially with these Brembos. The front is 6 piston, the back is 4. So, you know what I mean? But I do have carbon ceramic brake pads, so I don't have as much brake dust as other people. But definitely I should see something really promising with this product. So anyway, thanks again, Diamond Protech. I really appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.